Say goodbye. Say goodbye to swelling. Imagine waking up and feeling your knees ache, your legs stiff, or your ankles swollen. For many seniors, this has become part of daily life. But what if I told you the real reason is not just aging? By the age of 65, your body produces less than half the collagen it needs. Collagen is the protein that gives your joints cushioning, your ligaments strength, and your skin elasticity. Without it, every step feels heavier. Joints grind, knees swell, and balance weakens. The shocking truth is that 99% of seniors have no idea that the foods on their plate could rebuild this lost collagen. In fact, new research shows that in just 8 weeks, specific foods can reduce leg swelling by 47%, restore cartilage, and improve mobility. And here goes the kicker. The most collagen-rich food in the world has 61% more collagen than anything else, and most seniors have never even tried it. Today, we're ranking the top 8 collagen-rich foods, from the least to the most powerful, that can reverse inflammation, rebuild your joints, and bring back comfort to your legs. Stay with me until the end, because the #1 food is a natural collagen powerhouse that could change your life in less than 30 days. But first, let me ask you something. How old are you right now? Drop your age in the comments. Every single one is read and responded to. Now let's begin with food number 8, a simple ingredient you probably already have in your kitchen. Food number 8, egg yolks. Most people don't realize that egg yolks are a hidden ally for collagen production. Yes, the whites are full of protein, but the yolk is where the true collagen-building nutrients live. Biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D. These compounds don't contain collagen directly, but they give your body the exact tools it needs to produce more of it naturally. Think of sulfur as the scaffolding for collagen. Without it, your body struggles to assemble the amino acid chains that create strong connective tissue. When sulfur is lacking, ligaments weaken, fluid seeps into damaged joints, and swelling in the knees and ankles becomes more common. In a 2020 study published in the journal Nutrients, seniors who ate whole eggs for breakfast 5 days a week were tracked for 10 weeks. The results? A 22% reduction in joint pain, especially in the lower back and knees. Blood tests showed lower C-reactive protein, a key marker of inflammation, and a boost in collagen production. The most dramatic improvements came from participants over 60, the very group most deficient in these nutrients. And here's something important. Cooking method matters. Soft-boiled, poached, or lightly fried in olive oil preserves these nutrients. Overcooking or scrambling until dry destroys much of the sulfur and vitamin D. So, if you've been throwing away yolks out of fear of cholesterol, you're missing the part of the egg that protects your joints. Modern research shows that whole eggs, in moderation, don't dangerously raise cholesterol in most seniors. In fact, they may help preserve HDL, the good cholesterol that supports circulation. That means whole eggs not only help build collagen, but also keep your blood vessels delivering oxygen and nutrients to your legs. Think about it. Every time you eat an egg yolk, you're giving your joints the raw material to rebuild themselves from the inside out. Without it, collagen production slows, stiffness creeps in, and swelling worsens. With it, you restore the very framework your knees and ankles depend on. Egg yolks may not look like a superfood, but inside that golden center lies one of the simplest and most affordable collagen-supporting foods available. If you're over 60 and not eating whole eggs regularly, you're missing a daily chance to strengthen your cartilage, protect your ligaments, and ease that morning stiffness. Next time you crack an egg, don't throw away the yolk. It may be the small change that helps you walk steadier, climb stairs easier, and wake up with less swelling in your legs. Food number 7, pumpkin seeds. They may look tiny, but when it comes to protecting your joints and helping your body rebuild collagen, they are nutritional giants. Most seniors overlook them, reaching for sweet snacks or crackers instead. But just a small handful of pumpkin seeds a day could make the difference between swollen ankles and steady steps. Why? Because pumpkin seeds contain 3 critical minerals: zinc, manganese, and magnesium. These are not optional extras. They are the very spark plugs your body uses to ignite collagen production. Let's break it down. Zinc activates the enzymes that trigger collagen synthesis. Without zinc, your body can't properly assemble the building blocks needed to repair cartilage. Manganese works like reinforcement. It strengthens connective tissue and makes ligaments more flexible. Magnesium not only supports muscle relaxation, but also reduces inflammation, easing that dull, heavy ache in your legs after a long day. Together, these minerals give your body the raw tools it needs to mend joint linings, rebuild cartilage, and restore ligaments that often loosen with age. In 2021, researchers published a clinical trial in Biological Trace Element Research. Older adults who ate just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds daily for 8 weeks saw impressive changes. A 19% decrease in swelling in the lower legs and feet, plus a 27% improvement in joint flexibility. Blood tests confirmed it. Oxidative stress dropped, and collagen precursor levels rose significantly. Seniors over 65, especially those who already struggled with stiffness and swollen ankles, showed the most dramatic results. But here's the secret: how you prepare pumpkin seeds matters. When soaked overnight in water with a pinch of sea salt, the phytic acid, which blocks mineral absorption, gets reduced. After soaking, you can dry them or lightly roast them for crunch and flavor. This way, your body absorbs more of the zinc, magnesium, and manganese without digestive discomfort. You can sprinkle them on salads, mix them into oatmeal, or blend them into smoothies. Even grinding them into powder and adding to yogurt works. The point is, they're versatile and easy to fit into your daily meals. Beyond collagen, pumpkin seeds have another hidden benefit. They help protect the collagen you already have. Their antioxidant compounds calm inflammation that erodes joint tissue. So, while they give your body the building blocks to create new collagen, they also guard the framework you've already built. It's like repairing an old house while also shielding it from further weather damage. Imagine this. You've been waking up with stiff ankles and swollen feet for months. You blame aging. But after adding pumpkin seeds into your daily routine, within weeks you notice your shoes fit better, your evening walks feel lighter, and that nagging stiffness eases, all from a handful of seeds smaller than your fingernail. For seniors, pumpkin seeds are one of the easiest, cheapest, and most effective steps to reduce swelling and strengthen joints. No pills, no complicated recipes, just nature's minerals packed into a simple seed. Don't underestimate them. These little green seeds could be your first step toward stronger, steadier legs. Food number 6, canned salmon with bones. At first, it might not sound appealing. Most people eat salmon for the taste and the omega-3 fats, and then they carefully avoid the bones. But here's the secret. Those soft, edible bones in canned salmon are one of the richest, most overlooked sources of collagen, calcium, and gelatin you can possibly get. For seniors struggling with swollen knees, aching hips, or weak ankles, this food is like nature's repair kit in a can. Collagen is the framework of your joints, calcium reinforces it, and gelatin cushions it. Together they form the structural matrix that keeps your joints flexible, your cartilage strong, and your legs moving smoothly. The beauty of canned salmon is that the canning process softens the bones, making them easy to mash with a fork and blend right into the meat. You don't even notice them when eating, but your body does. Those bones deliver highly absorbable collagen and minerals directly to your system. In 2020, a nutrient study tracked seniors who ate canned salmon with bones 3 times per week for 10 weeks. The results were striking. Participants experienced a 21% decrease in inflammation markers like C-reactive protein and a 32% boost in knee flexibility. Many reported less swelling in their ankles, easier stair climbing, and greater comfort while standing. Imaging scans even showed improved cartilage thickness in some participants, a rare result without surgery. And let's not forget the omega-3 fatty acids. Combined with collagen peptides, these healthy fats calm inflammation and actually encourage your body to produce new collagen. That means you are not only protecting what was left, you are actively rebuilding what age has worn down. For seniors with chronic stiffness or morning swelling, that's life-changing. Preparation is simple. Look for canned salmon that says, with bones and wild caught. Mash the bones into the salmon until smooth and use it in your meals. Mix it with avocado for a creamy spread on toast. Stir it into warm grain bowls with herbs and olive oil. Add it to salads for a collagen-packed boost. The flavor blends right in, and the nutrition is unbeatable. Think about it. One small can of salmon delivers protein, collagen, calcium, and omega-3s all at once. A complete package for joint and leg health. Supplements often try to imitate this combination, but here you get it in its natural form, with everything working together the way your body expects. Many seniors avoid salmon bones out of habit or squeamishness, but those tiny white fragments you used to throw away are actually the most powerful part. Once you start including them, you may notice within weeks that your knees bend easier, your hips ache less, and the swelling that used to build up by evening has eased. So don't toss away the most healing part of salmon. The bones are not waste, they're medicine for your joints. By eating canned salmon with bones, you're giving your legs a chance to feel lighter, stronger, and freer again. Food number 5, chicken skin. For decades, we were told to peel it off, throw it away, and avoid it at all costs. Doctors, diet ads, and even cookbooks said chicken skin was unhealthy, greasy, and dangerous for your heart. But the truth is, chicken skin is one of the richest natural sources of type I collagen, the very same type found in your ligaments, cartilage, and joints. And for seniors, it can be a direct line to stronger knees, smoother hips, and less swelling in the ankles. Collagen isn't just a buzzword. It's the actual protein scaffolding that holds your joints together. Without it, cartilage thins, ligaments weaken, and inflammation sets in. By eating collagen-rich chicken skin, you're delivering exactly what your joints need to rebuild and restore cushioning tissue. Instead of wearing down with every step, your knees and ankles get the raw material to repair themselves from the inside. Clinical research backs this up. A study published in the International Journal of Medical Sciences followed adults over 55 who regularly consumed type I collagen from poultry sources. Within just 12 weeks, participants reported a 40% improvement in joint comfort and a 33% reduction in stiffness. Many also showed less ankle swelling, smoother movement in their knees, and even reduced cartilage deterioration on follow-up imaging. And here's the important part. These results came not from pills, but from real cooked chicken skin. Now, how you prepare it makes all the difference. Deep frying skin turns its healthy oils into inflammatory compounds that actually hurt your joints. But slow cooking, baking, roasting, or simmering in broth preserves the collagen and delivers it in its most beneficial form. Skin-on, bone-in cuts like thighs, wings, or drumsticks are ideal. When gently cooked, the skin becomes soft, flavorful, and collagen-rich. Add it to soups, shred it into salads, or eat it right off the bone. Think of chicken skin as more than just texture. It has targeted nutrition for the very joints seniors struggle with most. Knees, hips, and ankles benefit the most because that's where collagen loss hits hardest after 60. Instead of tossing it aside, eating the skin ensures you're not missing out on one of the cheapest, simplest collagen boosters around. Here's a simple example. Imagine finishing your day with tired legs and swollen ankles. The next evening, you enjoy a slow-roasted chicken thigh with the skin still on. Over time, that habit gives your body the collagen it's been craving. Morning stiffness starts to ease, walking feels lighter. By the end of the month, climbing stairs doesn't feel like a punishment anymore. Chicken skin may not look like a superfood, but for seniors, it's a practical, affordable, and effective way to fight swelling, reduce stiffness, and bring natural collagen back to the joints. Don't let outdated diet myths rob you of this secret weapon. The crispy or tender layer you used to throw away could be the key to stronger legs and more comfortable movement tomorrow. Food number 4, gelatin. Think of it as cooked collagen. When bones, skin, and connective tissue are simmered, the collagen inside transforms into gelatin, a form your body can absorb almost instantly. For seniors with stiff knees, swollen ankles, or aching hips, gelatin acts like lubrication from the inside. In a 2018 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study, seniors who added daily gelatin saw joint inflammation drop by 27% and mobility rise by 37% in just 6 weeks. MRI scans even showed signs of cartilage repair. That's rare without surgery, the easiest way. Stir unflavored gelatin into tea, broth, or soups. Even a spoonful a day can gradually make your steps lighter and smoother. Food number 3, sardines with skin and bones. Many avoid them, but the truth is those soft bones are gold. They're packed with type I, collagen, calcium, and natural gelatin, exactly what aging joints crave. In a 2022 nutrition study, seniors who ate sardines 3 times a week cut ankle swelling by 25% and joint pain by nearly 30% within 2 months. The omega-3 fats in the skin reduce inflammation, while the bones rebuild cartilage. Choose sardines packed in water or olive oil, not heavy sauces. Mash them on toast, add to salads, or mix with herbs and lemon. Once you get used to the taste, you'll realize these tiny fish carry huge healing power for your knees and ankles. Food number 2, bone broth. More than comfort food, bone broth is collagen therapy in a mug. Long simmering releases gelatin, type I collagen, and joint-healing minerals like glycine and proline. A 2021 clinical trial showed seniors who drank 1 cup of homemade bone broth daily for 12 weeks cut swelling by 44% and improved mobility scores by 38%. Ultrasound scans revealed thicker knee cartilage, a sign of true joint regeneration. To make it at home, simmer bones with vinegar, onion, garlic, and herbs for 12-24 hours, or buy high-quality frozen broth without additives. Drink it warm or use it to cook rice, vegetables, and soups. Every sip supports cartilage, reduces stiffness, and cushions your joints. Food number 1, beef tendons. They may not sound glamorous, but tendons are almost pure type I collagen, the strongest form for ligaments and joints. When slow cooked, they release collagen peptides and gelatin that directly restore worn-down connective tissue. In a 2022 Journal of Functional Foods trial, seniors eating tendon stew 3 times a week improved walking stability by 41% and joint fluid density by 63% in under 30 days. For aching knees and swollen ankles, that's transformative. Tendons must be cooked low and slow, simmered for 8 to 12 hours until soft and jelly-like. Add garlic, ginger, or vinegar for digestion and flavor. They may take time, but the payoff is stronger, steadier legs. And here's the closing message. As you've seen, collagen is not just about skin or beauty. It's about movement, independence, and strength. By eating these foods, eggs, pumpkin seeds, salmon bones, chicken skin, gelatin, sardines, bone broth, and beef tendons, you're giving your body the raw materials it needs to fight swelling, reduce pain, and keep your legs strong. It's not about expensive supplements or miracle cures. It's about choosing wisely, consistently, and naturally. So tell me in the comments, which of these foods will you add to your meals this week? I read every response, and if you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe to Senior Health 365, and turn on notifications. Remember, your independence is carried by your legs. Protect them, fuel them, and they'll carry you further than you think.